So here it is. Some of the networking commands. Already I showed Getmac. What is the Getmac command? Sorry, CLS. What is the Getmac purpose? To check the get the MAC addresses of your network devices. Okay, physical address or MAC address of a devices. Next command is Ipconfig. You want to check the IP address of a device, your system, your adapter. You can use Ipconfig. What is Ipconfig? It shows your IP address, subnet mask, default gateway. Same thing I've written here. Ipconfig command to check IP address. Of course, you are getting only IP address, subnet mask, default gateway. You want only IP address, you can use Getmac, Ipconfig. But you must see your adapter names. You must see your adapter names. Make sure that is your adapter or not. Okay, adapter names can be different from one system to another system. So compulsory, you have to check. Once you read it, you will understand. So but what we are getting? IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Ipconfig/all space Ipconfig. There is a space and put a slash like this and all. You are getting not only an IP address, you are getting IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway like your IP address, but also you are getting your physical address. What is physical address? Your MAC address, your adapter name, your your DHCP server address, your DNS server addresses, and DHCP enabled status, and lease obtained, lease expiry kind of stuff also. So with Ipconfig space/all, you are getting IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and MAC address, DHCP server address, and DNS server address also. You guys understand difference between Ipconfig and Ipconfig space/all? Can I do it again?
Yes, sir.
So I put Ipconfig. See the details. Okay. C/all space/all. See the what details I'm getting. Okay. So can you find the differences? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Like this. Next one is two more commands important. Actually, I want to tell these two commands. So then I added another commands also. So at one time everything will finish. I will explain these two commands. Okay. But you can see other Ipconfig commands here. Ipconfig release, Ipconfig renew. Guys, you will get an IP address from a DHCP server. Normally, your IP address is in your system, in your system and your mobile, your laptop, you are getting an IP address from DHCP server. It's a dynamic IP address. Yeah, you can say I do not have a DHCP server, but you have a Wi-Fi router. Your Wi-Fi router is act like a DHCP server. What is the use of DHCP server? It assign an IP address to your devices. I got an IP address. Okay, I got this IP address from this DHCP server. How I know? Because DHCP server, it is showing enabled, and this is the address of DHCP server. If it is a manual, it won't show like this. It won't show this address manually. Okay, I got an IP address from this DHCP server. And who is this DHCP server? Nothing but my router only. Okay, nothing but my router only. Okay, sometimes it is required to remove your configured IP address. Sometimes it is required to remove your configured IP address. Sometimes it is required to remove your configured IP address. To do that one, we use a command called a ipconfig release. I cannot show you why, because if you do this one, I will be disconnected from our internet. Why? Because of I will get removed with this IP address. In what cases we will do it, guys? In generally, IP address becomes sticky. It is dynamic IP address. If I disconnect and connect in my home, so evening I went to my home, I open my laptop, I will get another IP from my Wi-Fi router. I will get another different IP address from my Wi-Fi router. But I have seen this same IP it is showing there. It's not getting a new IP address from my Wi-Fi router. So what I have to do? Ipconfig space slash release. So to remove the existing configured, and you will get a new IP address by giving this command called ipconfig renew. Okay. So how to remove or flush a dynamically assigned IP address is ipconfig space slash release. To get a new IP address from your DHCP server is ipconfig space slash renew. Okay. Another one is ipconfig display DNS. What is a display DNS, guys? I am using this internet kind of stuff, so many things. Okay, I use this website, I use that website, I use Gmail account like that. Okay, what it is shows, whenever you are the IP address of that websites or that domains, that's host, IP addresses will display here, because these are all whenever I communicate first time, so it will be note down all this information. Okay, so that is our what it says display DNS. You want to flush those information, you can use flush DNS. If you don't get last 2 points, not a problem. This is for flush out this cached DNS kind of stuff. Okay. One more is that is called nslookup. It has become a different pattern. Okay, we'll see. Uh, Remaining commands I will show later, guys. I want to tell these two commands first, so then we'll see remaining. If possible, if time is allowed. These two are very important commands for troubleshooting. Okay. What is a ping command? Ping command tells your device is able to communicate with a destination device either or not. Okay. You are having a device and your device having an IP address and destination device also having an IP address. When you are giving a ping command from your device with a destination IP address, this is from A, I'm trying to check, can I reach B or not? So how to check it? From A, in the command prompt, I put a ping space destination device IP address. If I get a reply from destination device IP address, so then means there is a connectivity between A and B is there. There is a connectivity between A and B is there. Understand, guys?
Can you re-explain the ping part?
Ping part, very good. I have a devices. Yeah, if I yeah, two devices, and this is A and this is B. I want to check from A, can I reach B or not? So from A, in the command part, what I do, put a ping and B's IP address. The request will send to the B, and B will is going to reply to A like this. If I receive a reply message, like a reply from B's IP address and so something something, and if I got like this, it means connectivity is good. If not, troubleshooting. Simple example, I will show you this. So, IP config. Mine is 68. You can see 172, 16, 194, 68. Maybe my destination is 172, 16, 194, and 69 maybe there. So I will try. Yeah, it is not there. I'll take small system, so it pushed faster. It is taking time. Linux PCs are boot faster generally. If I take this one also, it will boost fast. Anyway, it will boost. But okay, yeah, it is. It won't take much time to load. Opening time is only there. Yeah, we got it. See? Yeah, I will check an IP address of it. Linux system. It is 164. Okay. So I'm pinging to 172, 16, 194, 164. That's an IP address of my Linux PC. What I'm getting? Reply from destination. Reply from destination IP. And can you see here it is? Zero loss. Send 4, receive 4, loss 0. Meaning is from my system to this system, there is a communication. Physically, physical connectivity is good. Network connectivity is good. IP address is good. Like that. Understand, guys? Ping test.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, for example, you want to check the internet also, not only local system, also you can ping to remote things like a google.com. Can you reach google.com? Google.com is not in your local. It is there in a different location, right? It is not there in here. So, can you able to reach google.com or not? Google.com, www.google.com server can be able to reach. So first it will find an IP address of google.com, and I'm getting reply from google.com. First it is find IP address of www.google.com server, and I'm getting a reply from google.com server. It means not only to my local system, also I can able to communicate outside of my network. So I'm get through internet, I can able to get it. This is ping test to test to connectivity between the devices. Got it? You got a reply from destination IP. It is a good connection. If you got a destination host not reachable, so somewhere we have got that one also. Yeah. Destination host unreachable, not reachable or unreachable, anything you can say. Destination host unreachable. Meaning is this particular device is may not be there. Maybe you are giving a wrong IP address. Maybe you are giving a wrong IP address. Maybe your that device is down or disconnected. Okay, if you receive destination host not reachable or unreachable, your device is not available. Maybe that device is not at all there, or maybe disconnected or shut down. Maybe you are giving a wrong IP address. Okay, so you have to check an IP address. Possibility of wrong IP address, check the IP address. Make sure device is available. Make sure it is connected. Okay, if you receive destination host unreachable. Request timed out. Request timed out. Even request timed out also it shows like this. So I will try like this. I try to ping to some IP address. I'm getting request timed out. There is several reasons are request timed out. Destination device is down, maybe wrong IP, maybe disconnected. And one more is there, firewall block your request. Firewall is blocked your request. It means the device is there and it is connected, but inside a device there is a built-in firewall is there. This firewall, when you send a packet, your ping request and receive to the destination, this firewall will not allow you to reach it. It block. It won't allow you to enter into the system. Okay. In that cases also you will get a request timed out. Request timed out. Another one reason is path is not available. Path is not available means you given some IP address that cannot be able to reach. Means from your device, for example, within your network, you will do. But if it is not in your network, you given a different network address. Your IP address not within your logical address, then it will try to go through the default gateway. Means from your router, it search outside of the network. If the path is not there or cannot able to reach, maybe it is not there, then you will get a request timed out. So what are the different scenarios? You have to check it, guys. If you get a request timed out, make sure that is device is available. Turn on. IP address is correct or not. Okay, that is you have to check it. Okay, and another one is in case this firewall is blocking the request, so then you can able to do it. Okay, so if you got reply from destination, communication is good. Destination host not reachable. Maybe this device IP address wrong, or device is not available, or device is shut down. Request time dot means same as a destination unavailable, and there is one more point is that is firewall blocking. For you, I will going to add one more point here. So that is ping. This is helper. I'm going for a /t. Ping destination IP address. Sorry. /t array -t. It represents continuous pings. Okay. So also say continuous ping requests. Okay. What is the purpose of continuous ping? In case network fluctuations. Okay. So connection, disconnection is there. You want to check it. So we use this kind of, okay, check connectivity. We use this command. Okay. So how to do it? Simple. Ping 172.16. What happened? Harsh. 192. 164. I told no 164. You can use -t or you can use /t also. No problem. I'm using -t. Okay. Is an IP address is correct? Oh, what happened? So I'm getting reply from my own IP address, destination host not reachable. Why? Yeah, I'm giving wrong IP address. Can you see? I given 192. The original IP address is, maybe it is very small. That's why I cannot able to see. It's 194. Okay. It's a 194. I have to stop the pinging, put a control C to break the sequence. See, wrong IP address I given. So what I have done, so I find out it is I given wrong IP, then I'm correcting it. So that's the troubleshooting, guys. So that is a part of troubleshooting. See, now I am getting continuous ping. Earlier it is 4 replies, that's it. So continuous ping is there. Okay. In case if I down my NIC, maybe I will disconnect it from this one. Yeah, it is. So this is an adapter. This is my network adapter. Can I disconnect it? We cannot change it. Okay. So wait, see it is request timed out. Frustration means now everything is working fine. Suddenly it is disconnected. Now I'm try to reconnect it back. If it is disconnected, I'm getting request timed out. So I'm connecting back it again. I connected it. Okay. So we have to wait till it is reset and getting some other IP address. See, I'm getting again. Okay. So when network is connecting, disconnecting, some frustration is there. Okay, some fluctuation is there, not frustration, fluctuation is there. So when we have to check it, the fluctuation, so how it is connecting, how often it is not connecting, and continuous testing. So connectivity status, what we can able to use ping destination IP -t or a /t. I'm closing it. Guys, understand what is the use of ping destination -t or a /t. Okay. Guys, understand this continuous ping. The last command I am telling, okay, it is almost like 11:20, 11:18. The last command is trace RT. So trace RT will tell how you reach the destination. How you reach the destination. Okay. For example, I put a trace RT to my destination system. Okay. It is here only in within my system only, but packet has to go to the router. Okay. So from my system to this system, it is directly connected. Okay. It is directly communicating. For example, I want to connect to my router. So of course there is no directly I'm going to router only. Okay. This is my gateway router. So we'll go to another one example. Okay. So I'm going to google.com. I want to know how you reach my google.com. Google.com is not here now. If it is there, I can directly know how to reach it. But if it is not there, it is not there. Not in even Hyderabad. It's somewhere in the world. We don't know. But how you reach this google.com? Ping will tell you, can you reach? TraceRT will tell you how you reach. So what it is reaching first, it find an IP address of www.google.com. Next one is from my system to my router, my gateway router. From there to ISP provider. From there to ISP provider. Next steps. Can you see? This is my router. This is my ISP, Internet Service Providers. And from there again some other routers, some other routers, some other routers finally reach the destination. What is a trace RT? Trace RT will tell how you reach the destination. It is why it is very slow. See, it is shown another router, not it is now, it is not belongs to this ACT. You want to know where is this router? There is a IP address tracker is also there. There are certain websites will provide. If you give that public IP address there, it will tell you where it is that location. Okay. It is taking. Yeah, I completed almost. Okay. So finally, I reached the destination. Can you see this IP address? And here it is. Finally, I reached the destination. But to reach the destination, I have to go to this router and this router, this router, this router, this router, this router, this router. Finally, I reached the destination. By 8 steps, I reached the destination. Okay. That is called a trace RT. Okay, guys. Up to here. I'm going to power off this machine. Let's understand ping and continuous ping and trace RT. Please respond. No problem. If you don't understand, we can discuss tomorrow. No problem. Again. Hmm? No one is talking. So what happened? So tell
Sir,
me, Himansh. Yeah.
Sir,
I think the ping one was
You didn't understand ping, continuous ping or normal ping?
sir, the normal.
it is all going over through my head. Sorry for but I need some more explanations.
You want more explanation, Shivam?
Yes, sir. Although I
Okay.
joined late, but
Okay, okay. So no problem. That is anyway. I will forward these recordings in evening, and notes is there. Just read it. If you don't get it, tomorrow we will discuss. No problem. Okay. What are the last part? Okay. Yeah, Himanshu, you are telling something. Yeah, Harsh.
Hmm.
So guys, understand this ping, traceRT, continuous ping test, and other commands,
Yes, sir.
ipconfig and ipconfig all. That's enough. Okay. So you understand those 5 commands are more than enough right now. If you don't get it, please check it once. Tomorrow we can able to discuss. If you have a doubt tomorrow, definitely we can able to discuss. Okay.
sir.